In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the slide size in your Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, you need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so I have prepared this example slide for you. So in your case, you have to select the slide first. So in order to select it, you just have to simply click on it. Okay, so once you have selected the slide, on the right pane, you will notice the option slide size. Okay, change the size of the slides in this presentation. Click on this drop down and you have three options: standard and the widescreen. So we are currently in a widescreen. So our options right now is standard or custom slide size. So you can go with custom slide size. You can change that from here, okay? But you can also go with standard, okay? So if you click on standard, you have two options. You are scaling to a new slide size. Would you like to maximize the size of your content or scale it down to ensure it will fit on the new slide? So it's up to you. You could go with maximize and ensure fit. So there is a preview from here. Now it's up to you. It's up on your requirement. But let me just go with maximize. And that's it. You have just changed the slide size of your PowerPoint presentation. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.